Just another dog Teen has saved.
Tổng cộng 6 anh.
The dog lover.
Hai con ở đây là người ta bỏ.
Chị nhận cái gì?
Hả?
Là chị nhận nuôi cái gì?
Không có, cái này
Hello?
là
Doggy?
người ta bỏ thì mình cô mang ở đây luôn.
À thì đó giống như là chị nhận nuôi chứ không phải gì. Thì chị chắc cũng có lên trên mạng à?
Không, em có lên rồi em cần em nhưng mà em hay học nát cái
Skin will be cured and the fur will be cured.
Quang Lê gì đó.
Hello everyone. I haven't traveled in quite a while, and usually when I film I'm traveling. So I decided to document this moment and just show you guys a daily moment in my life here in Ho Chi Minh. Right now we're at this lady's cafe slash store, and she is an animal lover just like Teen. And I'm not sure how many people know this yet, but Teen is a animal lover and she loves to save animals. And she saved quite a number of animals, and most recent is the dog that I just showed, which is now in a cage, which is this dog right here. However, she cannot take care of this dog at the moment, so this kind lady is helping her take care of this dog. And you're going to cure the skin, right?
Yeah.
And cure the hair, right? This dog was really hard to catch. I tried to help her catch it multiple times, but finally we got a dog expert who also runs a school to teach dogs and other animals how to be more kind and less aggressive, less angry. We delivered the dog on motorbike, of course, as usual, where I was driving here and Teen was in the back holding the dog in her hands. And the dog actually took a poo while in her hands. Quite funny. And it was green, so that's how you know this dog is actually very small.
Mà chị biết như năm nay là nhà nước mình
So cute.
chặn không có bắn pháo bông luôn.
không có đúng rồi, nó không có cho tụ tập
Thì đó bắn pháo bông là tụi nó đủ rồi, nó tụ đông quá, nó chống dịch mà nên.
Yeah, don't không?
Nên đâm ra đâu có thấy Tết. Cái Tết đó bắn pháo bông.
We're now done with the dog, and we're at a shop called E-Mart, which is a supermarket here in Ho Chi Minh. And we're buying groceries for Tet holiday, which is like the biggest holiday over here in Vietnam. Hello, T. This is a super crowded supermarket. What exactly are you looking for?
Vegetarian spring roll.
Vegetarian spring rolls for bà nội. Khuyến mãi, which means on sale. So let's see. Chả dỡ. Again, it is super crowded in here, and the word excuse me doesn't exist in Vietnamese, so you kind of just nudge someone next to you and push your way through, sort of like driving. Now, as a favor for the holiday, we're going to clean out the fridge because there's many groceries to be cooked on this holiday. Is that right?
Our house have 2 fridges.
2 fridges, so we're just gonna clean one, right? We got water here to clean the fridge, but it seems like Bone is drinking it. Bone is a blind dog. It's also another dog that Teen saved. I'm gonna try to get a visual of Bone's face so you can see the blind eyes.
I said Bone ill from the street when she almost died.
Yeah, when she almost died.
She's starving, just only having bone, have nothing else.
Yeah, so they named her Bone because when they found her, she was literally all bones. If I can find a picture of her, I'm going to post it right now. This is by far the coolest dogs. One of the coolest dogs I've ever met. Professional cleaner. For only 100 yen, you can get this service. This one goes in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
This one goes in the top.
I think after cleaning till fridge, you will be hungry.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, and then you can eat dumpling.
Hello. Now I'm cleaning more of the fridge in my Ho Chi Minh sink. Or should I say your Ho Chi Minh sink? Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
When your girlfriends is agents.
Food for the dog. What is this? Pork?
Yeah, only pork.
Very nice. So this is a cup of bugs in soap, which are bugs that Tina's picked off from her dog's fur. Now, what's the name of the bugs again?
Bọ chét.
So that's either lice or fleas, I'm not sure, but it's quite normal here for the dogs to have them and the cats to have them, and you just simply pick them off and dispose of them.